Hello friends, welcome back to Stack Developer YouTube channel. I am happy to share that we have successfully completed the Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series from part 1 to part 125, where we built a complete real-world e-commerce application from scratch. In this video, I will quickly explain the steps to download the complete Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce source code along with the MySQL database. All projects features are already mentioned in the video description, so do check it once. Now let's move ahead and I will show you how to download and set up the project on your local system. First of all, we are going to open this sidemakers.in website. Here we are going to click on download link. And here we are going to click on this login to download. This one, download complete Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce website from part 1 to 125. Now you can see that you are required to fill the credentials, login and password, and for that you can join as a member. You can even pay via PayPal as well, or via debit or credit card, or via Paytm or Google Pay. Okay, so there are various ways by which you can able to pay. So once you will pay, you will get the email with the credentials so that you can apply here and can able to log in. And once again, after login, you can click on download, and this time you can able to download this. So here click here to download, and your download will start. Okay, so it has been done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to the downloads folder. We'll unzip it, or will straight away move it to my folder where I want to unzip. I'm going to unzip in my htdocs folder. Here I'm going to paste this one and then going to unzip. I'm going to extract this one. Okay, you can extract if you have that raw software, otherwise you can able to unzip it as well. Okay, so after this I'm going to open this project in Sublime. So here we are going to open the .env file, and here make sure the database, I'm going to make it the project 12. Okay, so you can choose the database name of your own choice. Okay, but make sure that you are going to create the same database in your phpMyAdmin. Okay, so I'm going to create that, but I'm going to check whether my XAMPP is working, Apache server is working or not. You are going to run your Apache server, whether it is XAMPP, WAMP, or any other server. You must run that first. So I'm going to run my Apache server here, XAMPP server. Okay, it's running now. Now I'm going back, and here I'm going to reload. I'm going to the phpMyAdmin. Now I'm going to create the database with project 12. Project 12 is already no, it's not there. So I can create this project 12 database. So it has been created, and the same database I have used in the env file. So we are going to run now. Here we'll go to the htdocs folder, personal, this folder, ecom12. I'm going to right click here, show more options, git bash. If you have installed the git bash, you can run the command here, or you can run the command in the command prompt, or you can use the shell of the XAMPP server. Okay, so here I'm going to run the command phpArtisan migrate fresh seed, so that we can able to generate all the tables along with their data. Okay, so we are going to run this command to seed our database that we have just created. So these same steps I have mentioned here as well. Visit the website, click on download link, log into download. You can get the credentials by becoming a channel member, and you can able to download the project after that. Then extract the zip file in your htdocs folder or whether it is XAMPP or any other server, then you can name your database as project 12, create this database project 12 and give this database in your .env file. Okay. And after that, we have run that php artisan migrate fetch seed command. So the same steps I have mentioned in the video description as well. You can check there as well. After that, once it has been done, then we are going to run the php artisan serve command to check our uh, project is running or not. And after that, we are going to log in into the admin panel as well with the admin@admin.com as the username and 123456 as the password. So let's check. Yes, it is running. It has been done. Okay, all the tables has been created and we able to see the tables with the data as well. So now we are going to run the php artisan serve command to run our project. You can see the project is now running, and now we are going to run this one in our browser as well. You can see our Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce project is finally running. Okay, you can see it's the home page and you can see the header menu as well. We will go to the listing page. Here you can see the dummy products as well. Okay. So the project is finally running. You can see the detail page as well. Okay. And we can see the login and register as well. Okay. So the project is running here and we can also check its admin panel. Yes, its admin panel is also running. We can log in into that panel with the email admin@admin.com and password 123456. And its enemy panel is also running. Okay, so all the modules are here, you can see, and you can update this image as well. That is not coming, but you can able to update this image from here. Just simply open any image and you can able to update this one here. See, we able to update this image. Okay, and all other features, dashboard, update password, admin details, sub admins, so that you can able to give the access to different person to manage your admin panel and the website. And vendors, okay, vendors will come up here. Once they will register, it will come up here. Okay, admin will approve the vendors, and here the e-commerce modules, you can see the categories, products. Okay, products are here. You can see the brands are also here. Okay, so all the modules are here, and the orders, once the orders will come up here, and you can see the coupons as well. Okay, and you can see the users as well. Okay, you can able to create the multiple pages as well from the panel, and you can see the wallets and credit system as well. So the complete modules are there in the admin panel as well. Okay, so you can try this at your end and you can get this code just by joining as a member. You can also join as a member, just you are required to open the youtube.com stack developers YouTube channel, or you can simply search here for the keyword stack developers and you can find the channel at the top, and you can able to open this channel stack developers and you can simply join the channel, and you can subscribe the channel free of cost for getting all the updates. We will update for the Laravel 13 series as well. Okay, and you can simply open the channel. Here you can subscribe the channel to get all the Laravel updates, and you can join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.